In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to reset keyboard settings to default in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, then scroll up and click on settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here, please proceed to the left side of that. There you can see time and language. Click on that one. The moment you click on it, you would be able to see these four options. Please proceed with the language and region. Click on it. So once you've clicked on it, okay, so first is you need to select other language. So by that, if you haven't seen any of the language here aside from English United States, you need to click on add language. Okay, and the moment you've clicked on it, please type for any of the language that you would like to install here. Let's say for example, English UK. So all you need to do is you need to click on the next button here. The moment you click on it, please make sure that the language preferences is being checked, which is set as my Windows display language. And once done, click on install. The moment you click on it, kindly wait until it would be successfully installed here in your Windows 11. And once you have set it here, proceed to the three dots, click on that, and go with move up. The moment you click on it, you need to go with the English United States again, and then click on the three dots here, okay, and go with move up, okay. And in that way, you'd be able to reset keyboard settings to default. Just restart your computer and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.